In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and if you are not a developer yet, just tap 7 times on build number, then go back, and here you will notice developer options. Smoothly mark them, and now locate demo mode. So here you've got it, click to open, and if you'd like to activate it, just mark the switcher, and from now on this mode is active, but whenever you want to make it visible as well, just use this second switcher, show demo mode. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.